It's Bonnie. Happy Monday, August 7th. Oh my gosh, it feels like fall today. I don't know what's in the air. I know what's in the air. It's rain. Oh my gosh. I had to go out this morning and I literally stepped in a puddle that was like 3 inches deep. My shoes were soaked. My hair was sticking out all over the place. It's actually a weird day. It's kind of like really wet and it's a little humid, but it's a little cold too. I don't know. This is kind of an odd fall day. I got a Goose Creek candle going in the other room. We got so much to talk about. Oh my gosh, fall is upon us. I also did a YouTube short today on the Skull King car fragrance. And yes, by the way, it lights up. I should have actually lit it up in the short. I might do another short to show what it looks like lit up. It kind of cycles through the colors here. So I think I'm going to do another one. I'll probably put this on TikTok and Instagram. I'm trying very hard to get our Halloween jewelry up. I have a whole bunch to put on. Check it out. All kinds of fun Halloween bracelets and more stuff rolling in. I got a whole load coming from Homeworks. I'm so excited. And today, I got to talk about laundry detergent from Bath and Body Works. So, I actually did a preview video because I had the sun-drenched linen and the sand-washed Santal in the samples. They were giving away these samples in the store. So it's early release day. If you're a member, you can get in and buy these for $11.95. I'm going to put a screenshot up. I think online, these just look very deceiving because they're a pretty big bottle. I looked, they're 32 ounces and a 32 ounce bottle is kind of huge. I'm trying to think if I have a 16 around here. Let me look at what this is. This is the Avon Senses. Okay, this is the Avon Senses Bubble Bath. This is 24 ounces. So just to give you like a scale, 32 ounces is more than that. So it's a fairly big bottle because online they look so tiny. I'm like, no one's going to buy these. There are 5 cents. I actually have 3 of them here. The one that I actually think I might like the most is the lavender vanilla, which I don't have. I don't have mahogany teakwood, but I have 1,000 Wishes sun-drenched linen. I can't talk today. And cozy cashmere. I need a drink. So I'm just going to click on one of these. So today, they're normally $19.95. You can get them today for $11.95. And it says what it smells like for 1,000 Wishes. A sweet, heartwarming celebration with pink prosecco, gilded amber, and amaretto cream. I have 1,000 Wishes right here. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to see what it smells like. Let me see here. Are these the same scent notes in the 1,000 Wishes? They're looking different. I don't remember amaretto cream. I actually like this. I do like it. It smells good. And the laundry detergent. So it says overview. What it does, this concentrated formula combines a stain fighting with perfumer formula. That made no sense. I forgot a word. This concentrated formula combines stain fighting with performer. Kind of like split on the screen. Perfumer created, that's a weird sentence, fine fragrance to reimagine what clean laundry should smell like. You get 64 washes per bottle, so it's probably like, what, like a half ounce. Concentrated formula works at high efficiency in standard machines, clean in all temperatures, and is septic safe. 64 small wash loads measures to line 1 in the cap, or you get 32 large loads. I never do a small load. I'm always going to do a large load, so that would be 32. So squeeze sides of the cap to twist it open, follow care label instructions, test for color fastness on inside seam, use cap to fill line. They've got the ingredient list on here, which is it's not super long. Water, sodium lauryl sulfate, a whole bunch of stuff. I have no clue what it is. So I don't know. I mean, honestly, this is a little bit of a strange anomaly for me. I mean, I use fragrance-free laundry detergent, or I use my Avon Fiji sheet, which I like. I just don't know. I might try this just on like maybe like a load of maybe like dish towels or something, just to see what it's like. I'm noticing that the reviews coming in are not super good. What does it say? The sample size was too small. Yeah, that kind of makes sense because it's 1 ounce. I mean, let's see. It left a yucky, moldy after smell. Ooh. It turned into a manly smell. I was so excited when I got the sample. The scent is strong. You know, it's just, I just don't know. Of course, the garbage truck's out there, so Coco may start barking. I'm a no on this. I am not going to get the large bottle. This one actually smells pretty good, 1,000 Wishes. I had gotten the other two to kind of smell. Sun-drenched linen is actually nauseating to me. This one is so fresh and like cottony. I actually just, I can barely smell it without even just feeling sick. And then Sunwash Santal, I think, is my favorite one. I'm just taking the top off here. It's like looks like a creamy formula here. But this one is actually the best one, in my opinion. But I'm not really interested in these. I wanted to kind of do a video just to like say, hey, they're available. I feel like, you know, $11.95, I don't even know what I pay, honestly. I just buy laundry detergent all the time. I get the Tide-free pods. Let me just look and see what I pay. I don't even know, honestly. It's like they're on auto delivery for me. Let's see. Let me go to Tide-free. I just want to see. I'm just going to look up Tide because I just want to see a price in a 32-ounce bottle. Okay, so if you go to like regular Tide, it's the 32-ounce bottle, I believe. This is probably 32 ounces. And it's comparably priced. So 64 loads, yeah, $12.32. So it's about the same price as Tide on sale. Now, the $19 is obviously a lot higher. But if you get it today, it's going to be $11.95. If I could guess, I'd say probably about 30% of the people out there will probably love this product because their clothes are going to smell like Bath & Body Works, which is kind of fun. I think if they like the formula, they might continue using it. But I think it's going to be hard for a lot of people to like make that switch. So I don't know. I'm sure it's probably a little bit of a test, but you know, who knows? It could take off. I'm not really sure. It says concentrated formula, high efficiency, cleans in cold water. So there you have it. The laundry detergent is live today. Let's chat. You know, leave a comment below. What are your thoughts on this? I'm just curious to see what everyone else is thinking. Are you going to buy it for the $11.95 or is it a pass? I'm not getting it. I just wanted to let you know. Unless they come out with strawberry pound cake, then maybe I'll try it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I've got more. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye.